Hi guys, welcome back. What I have here today is not a picking video, but a gutting video, as I would like to show other people because I found this very interesting. It is an Avocet rim cylinder lock. It is quite old, and by the looks of things it is a 6-pinner, but there's only 5 on the key. Unless it's resting on the end, then it wouldn't be. But the thing is, it is very, very tough, and I even took the back off just to see if it was that holding it up. It does stick a little bit, but it is, and then you can hear it click when it gets back round. So what I want to do is cut it and show you what I found. In such an old lock I wouldn't have thought so, and I would love to hear any comments or anything people had to say on it, because I did try and tension it, but it needs a very heavy tension. The bidding on the key was pretty good. The lock, I don't think it's original. But as I say, we will take this lock and gut it. Do have to shim this lock, as you'll see by what I mean. Make sure the pins are up. It is very stiff. The pins themselves don't look like they need to be picked very much. And as I say, I seen this on the back in pin 6. Focus. So it's not actually a pin, it's just a groove. We'll dump them out, and then we'll carry on with the rest of the lock. Standard. Standard. Standard again. Standard. And a standard. There's no modifications to the core, to the core of it. And as I say, these surprises up here, which I would love to hear if anybody's seen this type of thing before. It's very tight. I'll start from the front. Standard. Standard spring. Another standard. Standard. That's pin 3. I don't really want to go up the back yet, so I will carry on from the front. Standard. And it rolled off. This little thing was in the very back of the lock. I just placed it down there for now. No modifications up the top. I think I must have lost a pin. Yep, there's no pin there. But as I said, this spring goes it's completely different to the rest. And this ball bearing slides in, so that's why I think there was very heavy tension when I was trying to tension the lock, even with the key in. With the key, when it's moving round, it's putting pressure off this spring. As the spring is a lot heavier tension than the other than say this spring. If anyone has any ideas or knows like why they done this, or I think it was to do with tension anyway, but I'd love to hear your thoughts on it. And thanks for watching the video. It was a great video, nice cutting, even though I lost a pin somewhere. Thanks for watching, bye for now.